Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Those of us who use computer face various problems while studying the computer. Today's video is when we press the power button of computer, the light turn on and off. The cooling fan spins and stop. We will open the computer cover and check everything carefully. We can see that the power supply fan is not spinning. It is spinning and stopping. The power supply is not working properly. For that, the problem is occurred. Because of this problem, the device doesn't turn on or work correctly. Sometimes the power goes on and off, or there is no power at all. This problem can happen due to a damaged cable, loose connection, or faulty power supply unit. To fix this issue, the power supply needs to be checked and repair or replace. We will replace the power supply. After doing that, we will check and stay tuned and follow. I changed the power supply and pressed the power button. You see. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.